Hello, Hoivan English Sessions. Today our first session is about structure, the differences between nouns and adjectives. It's really important to know the differences between these two because they're very confusing. Okay, so let's move on. Let's know. All right, there are more than one type for the adjectives, so we're just going to take them one by one. The first type, or the first case, adjectives that describe colors, shapes, behavior, texture. Okay, for example, Hillary wore a striped shirt. Hillary wore a striped shirt. Now, striped, this is the shape or the looks of the shirt. Okay, so this is I'm describing the shirt that is striped. Okay, striped. There are lines. Okay, that's the striped. And shirt is a noun. Striped is an adjective. So that's it. The second example, an elephant is a strong animal. So I have here strong. I'm describing the elephant that it's a strong animal. So strong here is an adjective. Also animal is a noun. Okay, let's move on. Number 2. Adjectives that answer how much. Now, if there is an answer to the question how much, then this is considered an adjective. For example, Sam has more children in his class. More. How much or how many? More. So he has more children in his class. So more, he is an adjective. Children here is a noun. Children. Okay. Sky has more stars at night. Sorry, many stars at night. So many here is like how much or how many. And stars is the noun. So if you notice something, that noun is like anything that I can count, anything that has a name, like an elephant, sky, night also. So anything I can count, anything that has a name is considered a noun. Sam, Hillary, they're capital letters, so they're nouns. Okay? All right, let's move on. 3. Adjectives that describe countable nouns means numbers. Numbers. For example, when I say, let me just get a pen. He spent 7 days in Rome. So countable nouns means a number. There is a number. He spent 7 days in Rome. Of course, 7 is an adjective. Days is noun. Excellent. If I told you, for example, David is 7 years old. So 7 is a number. So it's a countable noun. Okay, let's move on. And finally, adjectives that describe specific things, like demonstrative. For example, when I say, this bike is mine. This bike is mine. This here is an adjective. I'm pointing at the bike. This bike. So this is an adjective. And what is bike? It's a noun because I can say bikes. Those shirts are dad's. So what is shirts? it's a noun, and those are adjectives. Okay, so basically those are the types of the adjectives. Adjectives that describe the color, shapes, behavior, texture. Adjectives that answer how much or how many. Adjectives that describe countable nouns, means numbers. And adjectives that describe specific things, like this, those, that, these, and so on. Okay? Thank you so much.